We are at a nursery early in the morning, finding some flowers. Anushka like these though.
Look pretty. Like, look at them. Look, imagine looking at picture with them.
Oh, nice.
I know, look at it.
But these are very expensive. Who was expensive? Expensive, I said. These are expensive. What he said, Hydra. 500 for one plant. What kind of money, bro? Oh, you have these pretty cactuses also, if anybody wants to get. And they have very beautiful ceramic vases. Yeah.
I have the other one.
I'm not fond of flowers though, but yeah.
Cactus I have because they don't require much care.
Nah. That's what I was thinking. Why do you have plants?
I have only one cactus.
Wow.
Like
That's
one
nice.
Cactus. It's like I bought it with a friend of mine. Hers died, mine is still there. It's a nice cactus. So I bought a vase also for it. It's like a nice cactus. It has grown 2-3 cacti for it.
Good job. But most of these flowers are like, you have to keep them outdoors only. Can't keep them indoors. Look at them. Huh? Then we'll get that one for indoor. One yellow, one red. He said something, no? 180 something?
180 nice, sir.
300. 300. And I was thinking it's 180.
180 is those.
Which one?
Those are Dahlias.
Ah, Dahlia. Yeah, even I like the Dahlia ones. Right? Dahlia. Dahlia. This is very pretty. Look how this is a Dahlia. And this is also a Dahlia. I like the red one though. We've come to the second nursery. We are exploring every single nursery in here. Nice. The red one. That one is charging us 50 rupees extra? Damn! We got 50 rupees discount.
Hey, look at this ones.
Arey, I got these ones, okay. That? Yeah, Christmas. We can grow one of them. No need for a Christmas tree ever.
Indoor, इसका कितना है?
Huh? His negotiation skills are like no opinions in that.
Do not take me for negotiating. I'll be like, they tell me a price, I'll be like, okay, fine. I'll
Yeah.
buy it. But they die very
Yeah. Even these are very pretty. Anyone who's, please do come here, who's into flowers a lot. I mean growing plants and taking care of them. Because these ones, no? Arey, I bought these kind, okay, from the Chinchinim fair. And I kept it in the hot sun. They died. And my father was so mad at me. We've come to the third nursery. Exploring nurseries today. This is so pretty. There are ceramics also. Ceramics. Oh, look at this flower. It's kind of different. Where? Yeah? Only I didn't see maybe. Guys, explore nurseries with us. We actually came to drink coconut water, but then today, what? Yeah.
और वो वो वाले जो इंडोर प्लांट्स है वो पूरे ग्रीन के इंडोर ही है ना, तो कितना है उनका?
अलग देता है जैसे
ये वो जो ग्रीन और लाइट ग्रीन और डार्क ग्रीन का है वो,
600
और वो जो छोटा वाला है उसका
This is so expensive.
और स्नेक प्लांट का कितना है?
क्या चीज़ें मिक्सर भी होता है
300 का छोटा वाला,
This what he told?
500.
500. Oh, we have orchids also.
That is super expensive.
I don't like orchids.
My mother has everything.
I like tulips. My favorite flower is tulip. What's your favorite flower?
They do not have tulips.
What is your favorite flower? Roses. I know they don't have tulips and we don't get tulips here in India.
I like tulips. Tulips are good.
Tulips are very pretty flower.
I like, it's not like roses are my favorite. It's like,
Like them.
they're nice. Yes, I prefer. I
Okay.
prefer any flower.
We're going, no? Okay, let's go. The office. We're done exploring no cities today.
ये buttercup का कितना है?
Hey, he's not the this thing.
ये blue वाला.
That is nice. But he grows like a creeper, no? Buttercups are nice, but they. See you in the office. So they're making some salad.
Ready? 1, 2.
We are shooting a reel. This is our lights. That's the camera. This is the main. What is that?
Doing nothing.
It's her reel. And I'm making salad. Okay, because we are going to be healthy.
Here are some important advice that are important. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Here are some important advice that are important. Check your profile and eligibility. वाह संतरे शेयर हो गए यहाँ
अरे you do know.
मैं डिस्ट्रैक्ट हो गई कि तुम संतरे बांट रहे थे
Ready? 1,
Take 2.
2, 3.
I'm in pantaloons, by the way. This is a dress that I've liked. It is short. It's very pretty. There's one more that I tried also. But I'll put a picture up here. It was also very pretty. But my heart is fixed on this. Like, I mean, I really like how it looks. So, yes. Anushka is on the other side with it. Yeah. Whoa, look at madam. Where are you going? One more dress is left. But I've already tried 2 and I got this one more. But I'm fixed on this. I think I really like this. The thing is I have a few occasions coming, like one after the other. So that's why I'm in pantaloons right now to buy dresses. So yes. But this is what I'm fixed on. I like it. I'm gonna buy this one. Okay. We'll see for Anushka's dress and then we'll go. By the way, it's lunchtime. That's why we are in pantaloons. Yes.
Inside wedding.
This is Anushka's second dress. She's getting married, guys. Since in the last video we got a lot of rishtas.
It's a beach wedding.
You should have tried that one, no? That was
The other
the
one?
right
I
one.
have that white one.
Yeah, just try it now.
I'm trying the second bride.
We are trying bridal dresses for Anushka. Let me go change. I like this one. This one is the best one. This one actually looks good.
Good, I know. But it's actually a very pretty dress.
So what do you mean by that?
I mean, I said it's actually a very pretty dress.
That's what I'm saying. You're looking pretty in a very pretty dress.
Yeah, that's what I said. It's actually a very pretty dress.
How much is it for? Can we get it? But do you want it?
Where will I wear it is the question. Who am I running away with? to
It's
get
2,000. That's why I'm asking. 2,200. Do you even want it?
Actually pretty though. I like the way
I like the neckline.
Neckline.
Neckline is
That's why I
very
loved it.
pretty. If you could dye this, no, definitely you can use it.
red color, bright red.
Wow, that bloody red.
Bloody red. Or maroon.
Oh, maroon. Even wine would work
Yeah.
with that. Go change. We're going to buy that too.